Okay, then we go to the question 5, and it says solve star pyramid. What is star pyramid? Please enter a number 5. Write a simple program which asks the user for an odd number and according to the number which prints out the star pyramid as below. An example run. Please enter a number 5. Do not forget to use string multiplication of Python. Run below code and see the output. Okay, let's start with this one, and this is our question 5. Then again, file, new text file, question 0.5 and star pyramid. Apply. Wow. This is, let's save this one and run the code. Close others. We don't need to screen cluttered. And let's see the results. Okay, this makes us a star pyramid, a star, let's say triangle, but we need a star pyramid. Here, what does it want in the star pyramid? It should be here. And then we should not forget that there is spaces here. We need to print these spaces. How can we do that one? Okay, we can also print spaces. For example, 4 times and then plus this part. Let's see the results. Yeah, this we have this spaces, then other one. But here we need to decide about this first line. We have a 1. Second line we have a 3. Third line we have a 5. And here 7 and here 9, I think. So let's check it. Okay, the last one for line 5. Okay, how many stars we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then this star count is something like that. To be able to have 5, then 2 multiplied by 5 minus 1 for the line 5. Then I think I should have something like this. Def print stars, then star parameters, and here again num I need to have, and here I need to write a star count for. I need to do it till this number plus 1, or this till this number. Okay, I can do this one with the while loop, for example. While n is less than equal to num. Okay, and we need to start with n1, for example, and say that, okay, we need to calculate this star count, and this should be always 2n minus 1. And I also need, okay, this space count. Here, let's say this is space count. And here I can, how many spaces? Here for the line, this is 4. This is 4. I think, let's see, for the others, it should be 3 plus, let's, before the writing loop, let's get the results with this way so that we know that it will work with the loop. Okay, and here I think again, let's see, this is 1, but here for this one, 1, this 1, 2, 1, okay, and here 2n minus 1 here, okay, here, and here this will be the 4. And let's see what is the results. and space count is n-1, let's say. I am not using that one, but it is giving an error since after space it expects something. Okay, then this star pyramid, except for one space more, okay, it is working. Then this should be 3, 2, 1, and 0. Then if we run this one, okay, and there is no spaces and it works. Then I don't need this one. Let me comment it out. And I am changing this part to here. Space count is n-1. Since n is 4, -1, 3, 2, 1, and n minus n will be 0. And here 2 n minus 1. And I will do this print without. Instead of this 3, I will write space count. Instead of this formula 2n minus 1, I will use this star count, and I will call this print star pyramid with, for example, 5, and here run it. Okay, my problem is that I need to increase this number, and after printing this one, since and this is a infinite loop, right? Okay, what was my mistakes? Star count is correct, but space count is, oh sorry, num minus n it should be. Since we should start with the yeah, it works. But we can also have another solution for this one. Since the question doesn't say anything, okay, we can go here and here Python string functions, and the common string operations. You will have access to this documentation in the exam so that you can use it. And if we look at this common string operations, we have some interesting things here, and this is valid, is identifier. Road, I think, where, let's say, line equals to, let's say, this is the star count, okay, and this is what I want to have, okay, and line equals line that in quote exponent form is alpha is identified is upper lower as 3 partition fin split starts swap case translate. One numeric is lower, is digit is okay, center. And what is the maximum maximum line length equals to 2 num 3 num, I think. And here line equals to maximum line length, and here instead of this part we can say that okay, here star count we need to always have maximum line length always will be the same. Here we need to have this one, but here we don't need to have this one, we can use this line, and here n equals n plus 1 so that we don't have a infinite loop. And here, am I correct? Let's see. Yeah, this also works, but I think I made a mistakes with the maximum length. It should be less than this num. Since here we have more, I think we should have again 2 plus num. Then here. This centers makes your input string center of this one and fills the right hand and left side with the spaces. Okay, let's see the debug and see this one. Similarly, I am creating this line, but instead of calculating space count, I don't need something like that one. Okay, like now line as you can see is only 1, but after this center, as you can see, there are spaces in right and left hand side of it, and we are printing it. And plus, and we are creating star one, line is again here. 3, we are centering it, again, right hand and left side size are this one, print, star, centering it. As we can see this line here, okay? And here, when it is finished, there is no one, and this is the another way of solving this question.